Expressing fractions as decimals. So this is another part that I want to teach you in the next page. Let's take a look. Expressing fractions as decimals. This square is divided into 10 equal parts. So we have this square. As you can see, this is the square that we have. I'm going to erase it to not make confusion for you. And then we divide it in 10 equal parts. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? Yeah. We divided this by 10 equal parts. 9 out of these 10 parts of the square is shaded. We grab the orange paint and we shaded 9 parts of this 10 equal parts. So it's equal to 9 over 10 or 9/10 or 0.9 of 1 whole. You see? 9 part of this. So the number on the top of the fraction is the number of shaded. This number on the bottom, which we call it denominator. The denominator is all the parts. It's the number of the parts that we divide as a whole, which is 10 equal parts. Let's take a look at another example. Expressing decimals as fractions with a denominator of 10. What was the denominator? In a fraction, the number on the bottom is called denominator. Divide 1 liter into 10 equal parts. So from the bottom to top, which is 1 liter, we divide it in 10 equal parts. Each part is 1/10 of 1 liter or 0.1 liter. The water level is at the 0.3 liter mark. Let's see, what does that mean? 0.3 liter mark? Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 3. Yes, that's correct. The level is here, and I counted again. 1, 2, 3. That's correct. So the level is 0.3. The level is not 3. The level is 0.3 liter mark, or 3 out of 10 of 1 liter. The whole thing is 1 liter, which we divided in 10 equal parts, and we only filled up this jar or cup to 0.3 liter. So really pay attention to the parts that we divide this cup into. If you feel like you need to go back to the previous page, just go back to the previous page and watch it again. Let's do one practice together. Practice 1. Write a decimal for each of the following. A, 3/10. So 3/10 means what? I'm thinking. Okay? This is me. Oh. This is me thinking. Thinking. Okay, 3/10 means 3 over 10. Can I write that? But it says as a decimal. Because it says as a decimal, then I have to write it as a decimal. Is this decimal? No, this is fraction. This is a fraction form. So now we have to change it to, oh, decimal. I remember what decimal is. It has a point, the decimal point, which is this one. So it's 0.3. That's it. That's it. The question is also giving me a hint. Look at here. 0.1, 0.1, 0.1. If we add 0.1 plus 0.1 plus 0.1, 1, 2, 3. 3. Bring down the decimal, also 3. Oh, very easy. But you need to pay attention very carefully. Here, part B. We'll do it with a different color. 5/10. 5/10 means what? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5/10 means we have 5, 0.1. Then we do the same thing, 5/10. That's the fraction form. Now they're asking for the decimal form. So it will be 0.5. That's it. This is a decimal format. 5/10. This is 5/10, 5/10, 5/10. Just a different way of saying it. So you have to look at the question. What is it asking you to write down? Is it decimal, fraction, or what? Okay, perfect. Are you ready to go for the next page?